Number 1. 1970 Dodge D200, $4,500, Union, Washington. This 1970 Dodge D200 pickup presents a solid foundation for restoration or daily use. Powered by its original 318 cubic inch V8 engine with an upgraded aluminum intake and Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, it offers improved throttle response and reliability. The truck includes a spare 361 big block engine for enthusiasts seeking extra power. With solid rockers, steps, and floor pans, this blue D200 runs strong and starts easily. The only cosmetic flaws are minor rust repairs on the doors. A dependable and collectible workhorse from Dodge's golden era. Number 2. 1975 Ford F350 Flatbed Stick Shift Dually, $3,500, Leavenworth, Washington. A tough and mostly original heavy-duty hauler, this 1975 Ford F350 Flatbed features Ford's classic 360 cubic inch FE engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and a granny gear. Finished in Wimbledon white, it retains its vintage appeal with minimal rust and a straight frame. Steering is tight, and it includes a gooseneck hitch and stake pockets for utility. Minor oil leaks and spongy brakes are typical for its age. With clean title and originality intact, this truck represents rugged 1970s Ford durability at an affordable price. Number 3. 1960 Chevrolet Apache pickup, $5,000, Palisade, Colorado. This 1960 Chevrolet Apache captures timeless American truck design with its two-tone blue and white finish. Equipped with a 350 V8 and a 5-speed manual transmission, it requires engine and brake work to be roadworthy but holds immense restoration potential. Sharing its model year with the truck featured in the bridges of Madison County, the Apache's styling and heritage make it a worthy project for classic enthusiasts. Its clean title and mostly complete condition add to its appeal. Number 4. 1965 Ford F600 2-ton, $5,000, Hermiston, Oregon. This red 1965 Ford F600 is a well-preserved medium-duty work truck featuring the powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine mated to a 5+2 manual transmission setup. The dump bed is operational, and the truck runs smoothly for its age. With clean title and good overall condition, it offers great potential for collectors or vintage farm use. Its rugged simplicity and commanding stance embody the strength of 1960s Ford engineering. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet 3/4-ton Ford Apache, Kalispell, Montana. Price to move. This 1977 Chevrolet 3/4-ton four-wheel drive truck is ideal as a ranch or property vehicle. The 350 engine runs but needs rebuilding as it smokes heavily. On the positive side, the drivetrain, steering, heater, and snowplow all function properly. With tight steering, decent tires, and solid brakes, it remains a functional off-road or utility truck, a true bargain for those looking for a winter or farm-ready workhorse. Number 6. 1973 Dodge 1-ton 4x4 pickup truck, $3,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1973 Dodge W Series 1-ton 4x4 is a rare find, featuring both a Brownie 2-speed auxiliary transmission and a PTO-driven winch. The body is solid and straight, and while the rebuilt 400 big block V8 still needs installation, it comes complete with the sale. Originally powered by a 360 engine, this heavy-duty pickup with Dana 70 axles front and rear promises exceptional torque once completed. A perfect project for Dodge Power Wagon enthusiasts. Number 7. 1964 Ford F600, $500, Warrensburg, Missouri. A classic Ford with plenty of patina, this 1964 F600 is a Y-block V8 powered dump truck showing about 70,000 miles. Though it cranks but doesn't start, the frame remains solid, an ideal platform for a full restoration. The truck includes a dump bed and carries a rustic charm with its weathered finish. While missing a title and requiring transport, it's a budget-friendly entry into vintage Ford ownership. Number 8. 1970 International Harvester 1200D 392 V8 pickup plus cap, $4,800, Barstow, California. This 1970 International Harvester 1200D 3-ton pickup features the powerful factory 392 cubic inch V8 rated at 236 horsepower and retains its original air conditioning. It's a partially restored project that has sat in dry desert storage for years. The transmission is currently detached, and a flatbed will be needed for transport. Despite lacking a title, the body's solid condition and vintage camper cap make it an intriguing project for international enthusiasts seeking a rare and rugged pickup. Number 9. 1989 Ford F-150, $4,200, Moriarty, New Mexico. This gray 1989 Ford F-150 4x4 powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission is a dependable classic with many new parts. It features new brakes, seals, bearings, tires, locking hubs, and upgraded headlights. The truck runs well, though mileage is uncertain due to a rolled-over odometer. With its reliable drivetrain and durable body, this F-150 offers excellent value as a weekend driver or light-duty work truck. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet 4x4, $2,000, Tecumseh, Kansas. An affordable entry into vintage 4x4 ownership, this 1985 Chevrolet long bed pickup houses a 305 cubic inch V8 showing 126,000 miles. It runs and starts reliably, but needs transmission replacement since it won't exceed 40 miles per hour. The truck has rust on the body and bed, but retains a solid frame. Recent maintenance includes new plugs, wires, brake lines, and valve cover gaskets, plus 5 brand new tires. A solid fixer-upper for the mechanically inclined. Number 11, 1984 Ford F-150 4x4, $4,995 Winlock, Washington. This well-kept 1984 Ford F-150 4x4 presents beautifully in brown with only 107,598 original miles. Featuring a 351 Windsor engine rebuilt 45,000 miles ago, automatic transmission, and dual fuel tanks, it runs strong and shifts smoothly. Equipped with Warren locking hubs, mag wheels, and a lighted visor, it comes with original books and documentation. Minor rust above the rear fender is the only flaw. A clean and collectible early 1980s Ford truck ready for adventure. Number 12, 1986 Ford F250, $4,000, Portola, California. This 1986 Ford F250 4x4 diesel is powered by the durable 6.9-liter ID engine, showing 67,000 miles. The truck starts easily with new heavy-duty batteries and shows minimal interior wear. Equipped with a winch mount, heavy front bumper, and optional lumber rack, it's well suited for both work and recreation. With a clean title and solid overall condition, this F-250 represents the reliable strength of Ford's 1980s diesel pickups.